Okay, we're on a job site this morning and we got a leaky wall, so this is really wet inside of there. Okay, so we're just removing the torch-on decking from here and check it out. And we got little friends in there. Now this is called a head flashing here, and it's got an end dam, so if water comes down here it can't get to the side. And so your space makes it so air can flow in through the bottom bug screen, and then it can get into the cabin. It can dry out if it ever was to get wet. So, but this baby ain't getting wet. And on the roof we need roof flashings that keeps the water out. So we're done here, and you can see that I'll show you all the details.